This is the Coleman Brazos Cold Weather Sleeping Bag. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing to see the quality and actually to see if it's comfortable. Let's open the box. Alright, it's pretty big. And it says 20 degree to 40 degree. Actually, this sleeping bag is very dense. It's a little bit heavy. I think it's gonna be a little bit challenge when you actually kind of put into the package because it's really tight. All right. Oh my God. It's so thick. Look at this. Oh my God. The material is good quality. All right, I already feel very warm. And what's this? Okay, you can put the flashlight or like a cell phone in here. I think it's, oh my God, I think this one probably a little bit too thick to my feeling, but right now I'm sweaty. I can say that it's really hot. That the length is not super long. I'm 5'7", so look at me. My feet is right here, and you see, you can, yeah, this thing just can put me inside, totally inside. So if you're taller, just consider the length. I think this is a really good buy, and the quality is good. The cotton, whatever the inside, the feel is very dense. I think that in the cold weather condition, it's good. Yeah, I can survive. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.